Question number 8. In the given figure, AB and DE are perpendicular to BC. Prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEC, and second, AB is equal to 6 cm, DE is equal to 4 cm, AC is equal to 15 cm. Calculate CD. And third part is find the ratio of the area of triangle ABC ratio area of triangle DEC. Solution. First, in triangle ABC and triangle DEC, angle ABC is equal to angle DEC is 90 degree. ABC and DEC is 90 degree, and angle ACB is equal to angle DCE common. By angle similarity, we get triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEC. And given AB is equal to 6 cm, DE is equal to 4 cm, AC is equal to 15 cm, and we find CD. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEC. Proved above. That is first part. Then, if ABC is similar to triangle DEC, then AB upon DC is equal to AC upon DC. AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DC, which implies AB is 6 divided by DE is 4 and AC is 15, and CD, DC, CD, we want to find CD, which implies CD is equal to 15 multiplied by 4 and divided by 6. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, which implies CD is equal to 10 centimeter. Answer. And third part, find the ratio of area of triangle ABC area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEC is equal to corresponding sides AB upon DE square. AB square upon DE square, which implies AB is 6 centimeter, 6 square upon DE is 4 square, which implies 36 upon 16. 9 4 9s are 36, 4 4s are 16. So area of triangle ABC ratio area of triangle DEC is equal to 9:4. Hence proved. We have given diagram ABC and DEC. First part, prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEC. In triangle ABC and another triangle DEC, angle ABC is equal to angle DEC, each 90 degree. Angle ABC is equal to angle DEC, each 90 degree, and angle ACB and angle DCE, that is angle C is common. By angle similarity, we get triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEC. First part hold, and second part, given AB is 6 centimeter, D is 4 centimeter, AC is 15 centimeter, and we want to find the value of CD. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEC. We have proved first part. And then AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DC. AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DC. Given AB is 6 centimeter, D is 4 centimeter, AC is 15 centimeter, and CD, we find the value of CD. CD multiplied by left side, that is 6 times of CD, and CD is equal to 15 multiplied by 4 divided by 6, that is 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, and 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. We get the value of CD is equal to 5 2s are 10 centimeter answer. And third part, the ratio of area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DEC, that is equal to corresponding sides square AB square upon DE square. And given AB is 6 centimeter, DE is 4 centimeter, AB square 6 square, DE square 4 square. 6 6 are 36 divided by 4 4s are 16, and basis divisible by 4, 9 4s are 36 and 4 4s are 16. So area of triangle ABC ratio area of triangle DEC equal to 9:4 answer. Thank you.